Hold up. This doesn't even feel like a house. It feels like a private luxury resort. All right, come in. Clean lines, massive glass, and yeah, this marble runs everywhere. The first thing you notice is how calm it feels. Nothing loud, nothing extra, just clean, smooth, and expensive. This living room is insane. So much space, natural light everywhere, and everything just flows. The furniture, the lighting, the textures, it all feels high-end but still super comfortable. Now check this out. Open kitchen, huge marble island, and a super clean setup. Perfect for hosting, or just enjoying the space. From here on, just sit back and enjoy the tour.
的月亮格外圆。